Reap.
Where are you at?
I'm not in your game.
Oh, okay. Well, at least you didn't show up on the enemy side this time.
Oh, I don't mind that. At least I can farm some damage. How do you get these ARP cruisers again? I forgot.
You can't get them anymore. And
Maybe you have one?
I have both of them.
Oh.
It took me
Shitload of
forever.
missions? Do you have to like complete a shitload of missions or something?
Yeah, it was like a set of 3 missions. I think the second one was 300 fires. That took a really long time. And then the third one was 1,000,000 damage.
Battle starts.
But the first one I think was 100 aircraft.
That's easy. Just get a bogue or something.
You
Or
couldn't use
midway.
that though.
Oh, you have to have tier 6 or above?
Yeah.
Okay,
Or
which way
tier
are we
5
going?
and above. Same.
It looks
same
like you're both
normal.
going south.
Yeah.
Look at that. Let me turn my fat ass around.
Fucking slap my mic. Holy shit.
You slobbered on your mic?
I slapped my mic on accident.
Was it not making you any money?
No. Fuck.
You know, when I get these videos uploaded, they're gonna be like, his gameplay sucks, but he's got some pretty good comments.
I doubt that.
Who?
What?
Of who?
Who?
What? What?
Your what hurts?
These nuts.
I bet they do hurt. They getting a little blue?
Yes. Black and blue.
Oh, well then you're doing it wrong.
Ah, rip.
Don't slap him so hard.
Enemy force detected.
I just want to orient my aim from the middle turret on the New York. Is that so hard to do? Can I not?
Yes.
What?
That Congo is almost in range.
You know, we're in range for me, so,
Oh, by the time
Not
those
me either.
land, he should be in range.
Fail.
Yeah, epic fail. Fired too far forward. Though I have no clue who he's firing at. Oh, one almost got to him.
He's shooting at me.
Oh,
And he
okay.
misses.
That Omaha.
oh yeah, because you're hiding. You might want to keep moving because you got torpedo bombers and dive bombers coming in.
Hug the island. It gives him only one way to go.
Yep. And the Omaha's our target.
He's not gonna like me if these land. Except I didn't realize I was still on frickin' HE, or else I'd have had.
What's the most
Citadels.
glorious salvo you guys have ever hit?
Oh,
Like, what's the most glorious battleship salvo or cruiser salvo you ever shot at something?
I think I did, I think it was 80,000 on one
oh
hit.
Jesus. I've never done that. I think I've done like 15 or 18 so far. Oh,
Well, you don't
he's
have
running
the
like hell.
battleships that have that much damage, or that much.
Maximum I've done, right, was about 25,000 against an Omaha in one shot.
Though if these Citadel will be alright. Nope, but I took out a turret, his propulsion, and a torpedo launcher. Yeah, he's screwed. Oh, that sounded beautiful.
Sorry, please. Not like this.
Don't
That's
worry,
right,
I'll let you
you
two
did.
both see it.
Nah, he's coming for me. Motherfucker. Maybe not.
How good is the Miyoko as a cruiser? Its armor is decent as long as you don't show the broadside, right?
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
You got torpedo bombers coming in on you, Jason.
Yeah. I'm fucked anyway. He's been dancing
I
around
was gonna say,
forever.
throw
He's
your,
like, what's he gonna
rep.
do?
He's still trying to get a shot on you though, and he's losing planes while he's doing it. Well, that's not bad. You only ate one. Okay, that South Carolina's about to die. He's in range.
Oh my god. South Carolina against us.
Yeah. The only problem is I only got 2 turrets turned to him. Oh, I'm gonna hit him on the ass end. Oh no, maybe. Oh, I got 2 hits on him. Oh, that Langley's almost in range.
22k hit.
Really?
Oh, that Langley, he needs to get moving because I'm about to light him up.
My game just crashed.
Wrecked.
Oh, that sucks. Did you say you were racked? Are you playing tanks?
No. Bullshit. Fuck.
I only got 1 hit on that Langley. Luckily, he's got a mountain in the way.
This kamikaze is seriously firing AP at a battleship.
See if my shots hit before those torpedoes do.
So how well am I doing?
Oh, of course, I just missed.
Oh, I got a Citadel hit.
Nicely done, nicely done.
Night and day.
I got 5 seconds. And a 7-second launch time, or flight time. Oh, I got all my guns except 1. Fire.
Alright, I'm
And
back.
Weren't they like-
landing time. Damn.
Isn't like Wargaming planning to add like battleship aircraft carrier hybrids or some shit?
What, War Thunder?
No, no, no.
Guys, they're
no,
going
no,
after
no.
our base.
World of Warships. Wargaming. I thought they said something about that.
I doubt I'm gonna be able to hit that Gibney.
Go for the Congo.
Guns are almost on him. Just barely missed with the first salvo. Somebody hit me.
I was in New York over here.
And all my shots splashed around him as usual. New York is firing at you.
Yeah, because I got a Citadel on. So he's like, oh, go.
Now that Gevney's going for our aircraft carriers.
Another Citadel. Oh,
Nice.
he's got 200 left.
Maybe I can hit him.
Yeah, do it.
He's close enough.
I don't have the reload time.
He's aiming at me. Come on, hit him, hit him, hit him. What?
Really?
They
Really?
splashed either side of him. They were on. They just splashed either side of him.
We'll last longer than we will against that Death Star.
You know, that guy could have capped us, but he didn't.
2 or 3 more things and we're in great shape.
Did he just repair? Oh, he is a battleship derp.
Really?
I'm gonna try and help our aircraft carriers real quick. I have no shot on
Yeah, they're done. Yeah. There's no point.
Remember, the Force will be with you, always.
that. Oh, I took a good bit of his health. So he's
Congo's dead.
Remember, the Force will be with you, always.
Oh yeah, he's gone. Alright, I'm swinging back around. See if I can outturn
Yeah,
this
we got
island.
this. Hey, a match that we all survived.
Wait, you guys? Okay, can you give me like
And
2 minutes?
Yeah, and Richard's full health.
He'll never see that again. Sorry.
Okay, Kuma's almost... Actually, he's turning where he's in my range. Except I didn't lead him enough.
Why are they running? Kinda loud.
Go, babies, go, babies, go! Oh, no, still after him. Oh my god, one hit finally hit him.
Thanks, I was trying to kill him.
Well, if it makes you feel better, I'm about to
Team
hit an
effort.
island. Bumping uglies with this island over here.
So you guys ready?
We're
No,
still
we're
in battle.
this game.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have a feeling I'm not going to get in range of them anytime soon.
Hey, what should I get on my American battleships? I have basics of survivability, fire prevention, and vigilance. Anyone know what
Well,
else I should get?
Contrary to what Jason says, I have my other spotting one on there. So I can see if I'm detected by a destroyer that I can't see.
Oh, situational awareness?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but you don't know how far that is for, you know, it's, your detectability is like 16, 17 kilometers.
This is true.
Which one do you think I should get? High alert?
Oh, most of the survivabilities, honestly, your battleship, you need to survive longer than the other player.
So, high alert, right? Preventative maintenance.
Alright, I'm back almost at full steam.
So you can only get one tier 5 skill, right?
Nope. You
get
can
two?
fill up the whole thing if you play that much.
No, but there's like a cap on how many points your commander can get.
Is there?
Yeah, it's like something like 20.
20 what?
Just 20.
20 what?
20 points.
You know how long you have to play to get 20?
Yeah, but like, It's something around 20, I think. That's a cap.
I doubt they're gonna.
Sweet,
They
nice
might
Citadel
change
hit.
that cap. Honestly. Because once people get there, they're gonna be like, really?
Oh, come on.
Alright, I'm not going to have a shot on that cruiser, but I can get this carrier.
Carrier's already dead with a torpedo bomber.
Oh,
run.
nice.
I got a Citadel hit. I wanted to kill him.
Citadel?
Citadel.
Set fire!
I doubt I'll get a shot on before y'all kill him.
Have you played
Got
the
him.
German cruisers?
Holy shit. He
suck.
survived and
They're
he got a
tinfoil.
kill.
I know, right?
Wow.
I got a warrior.
I'm still
did.
badass though.
I did sucky. Didn't even break 23,000.
I got an achievement.
Nice.
How far do you have to go yet to get 12?
Probably another 10,000. Let me look.
That's not much.
What should I get on my Japanese cruiser?
Geisha women.
No, please. But like, I have Last Stand, Incoming Fire Alert, Situational Awareness, Basics of Survivability, and Vigilance.
All that incoming fire alert garbage is bullshit. You don't need to know that.
I had no
Just-
damage.
It's just a waste.
Maybe I'll just redistribute it when I...
Less,
higher tiers.
just a little more than 9,000.
Nice.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.